Hai semuanya, selamat datang di channel DWSI Yes I Do. Do you speak Indonesian? Yes, I do. So in this video, we are going to have a look how they use the pronouns in Indonesian. Let's get started. So pronouns means kata ganti orang in Indonesian. Jadi ada 4 bentuk kata ganti orang atau kata ganti persona yang akan kita pelajari pada video kali ini. Let's have a look. The first is subjective pronouns. Well, it means the pronouns is a subject in a sentence, like saya, kamu, dia, etc. To make it easier to understand, let's say this complete pronouns as the subject, singular one. First personal pronouns, saya, aku. Saya, aku. Second personal pronouns, kamu, anda, engkau. Kamu, anda, engkau. Third personal pronouns, dia, beliau, ia. Dia, beliau, ia. And the plural one, we have the first personal pronoun, of course, which are kami, kita. Kami, kita. The second personal pronouns, kalian. Kalian. And the third personal pronouns, mereka. Mereka. If you guys are still confused about what the difference between kami, kita, saya, aku, dia, engkau, kami, etc., it doesn't matter for now, because maybe in the future I will make that kind of video, so don't be worried. Now let's have a look some examples. Saya Willy. Saya Willy. I am Willy. Mereka sahabat. Mereka sahabat. It means they are friends. Let's move on to the next. Well, the second is the objective pronouns, which is the pronouns is the object in the sentence. These are the objective pronouns. Saya, aku, ku. Kamu, mu. Kita, kami. Mereka, dia, or nya. Well, how do you use it? Let's find out. Maukah kamu menerimaku sebagai sahabatmu? Maukah kamu menerima saya sebagai sahabatmu? Well, that is the same thing. Saya or ku is the same thing. Because we're just gonna focus on the objective pronouns, let's just ignore the word sebagai sahabatmu, because I think it's a different meaning. Maukah kamu menerimaku? Maukah kamu menerima saya? It means, will you accept me? Will you accept me? So we put the objective totally the same as in English. Another example, maukah kamu menerima dia? Maukah kamu menerima saya? Will you accept me? Maukah kamu menerimaku? Will you accept me? It's the same, so don't be confused. Maukah kamu menerima dia atau or maukah kamu menerimanya? It means, will you accept her or him? That's the same thing. So in Indonesian, we don't have gender. Remember, again, I've taught you in the previous video that in Indonesian, we didn't have a gender in the third personal pronouns like in English, she, he, or it. Well, we just say dia for every gender. And the last examples of this objective pronouns, saya akan pergi dengan dia, or saya akan pergi dengannya. It means, I will go with him or her. It's the same thing. I will go with him or her. Saya akan pergi dengannya or dengan dia. Actually, it's up to you which one do you prefer to use. If you want to use ku, the short one, or just use nya to make it short, it doesn't matter. Totally doesn't matter. The third, possessive pronouns. I think you've known about this one, which is the pronouns is the owner of something, like mine and yours, hers, etc. So there are two of possessive pronouns, which is the first followed by the noun. Before we get into it, you need to know this before, which is we don't put the possessive pronouns before the noun, but we put them after the noun. So it is not the same as English, but it's still easy to understand. Well, this is the possessive pronouns: saya, aku, or ku; kamu, mu, or anda; dia, nya; dia, nya; kami, kita; kami, kita; mereka, mereka; mereka; kalian, kalian. And the second, the possessive pronouns doesn't followed by the noun, which are mine, yours, ours, theirs, his or hers, and yours, plural. To say mine, we say milik saya, or milikku, or milik aku. It's up to you. For yours, we say milik kamu, or milik anda, milikmu. It's up to you. Again, it's up to you. Ours, milik kami, or milik kita. And theirs, milik mereka. And the last, you, plural, yours, atau milik kalian, milik kalian. The singular of you is kamu, mu, or anda, but the plural is kalian, kalian. Well, I reckon it can be the examples of the previous explanation, but I think you still need to know some examples. Let's have a look at this conversation. Apakah ini penamu? Apakah ini penamu? Penamu, which means your pen. Mila answered, iya, itu pena saya, or itu penaku. But to make it more short and easy to say, you can just say, ya, itu milikku, or ya, itu milik saya, which means, yes, that's mine. We finally get into the last. So the last is reflection pronouns. In my opinion, this one is easier to understand than the previous, I think, because you just need to add the word sendiri to say reflection pronouns, such as saya sendiri, kamu sendiri, dia sendiri, kalian sendiri, mereka sendiri, kami sendiri. What else? I don't know. Anyway, just add the word sendiri. It means myself, themselves, ourselves, etc. Easy, right? Those are the pronouns in Indonesian. I really hope you guys can understand and of course use it in your daily. Well, I've created a quizzes. You can simply click the link in the description box and you can answer and you can test yourself how much you understand this lesson. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell. Also share this video to your friends, whoever wants to learn Indonesian. See you in the next video. Sampai jumpa. Apakah kamu menerima saya? Udah sampai situ aja. I don't know. Get into it. About the pronouns. nerve-wracking. Kok udah malam, udah tolong.